Japan denies Tinubu's government's claim on migration special visa opportunities for Nigerians. Japan denies Tinubu's government's claim on migration special visa opportunities for Nigerians. You know, Tinubu traveled to Japan before he now switched to Brazil. He's not tired of traveling. I saw a news that was 4 days ago that Japan is bringing a special visa category for Nigerians. So I told my friend, I said, this is a lie. That Tinubu is a lying president and he's not tired of lying. And his administration is getting away with it because they see Nigerians as fools. People who don't react, any place you push them, they go. Now, before I make any comments in this, lie that Tinubu told Nigerians about 4 days ago, I want you to, see the videos I made when Tinubu was 1 year in office. How Tinubu deceived Nigerians, how he lied anytime he traveled to outside the country. Don't believe me for what I'm saying now. Just take a look at this video first. I'm coming back to explain this to you. After Tinubu was sworn in as the President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, the first official visit he made was to UAE, the United Arab Emirates. And you know the news that broke from United Arab Emirates? That Tinubu was able to cancel the visa restrictions they placed against the Nigerians. Now, so many Nigerians troop out to apply for visa, to tour the country, to do some business in the country, and they were all denied. And United Arab Emirates denied the assertion of Tinubu that they never lifted the ban on visa. Why would a president lie to the citizens of the country he's leading, he's serving? The people he acclaimed that they voted for him, of which we know that they did not vote for him. As if that is enough, during his inaugural speech on the day of inauguration, when he assumed office, Tinubu made a statement that have cost Nigeria fortunes. Subsidy is removed. That is the statement he made when he was making speech that very day. But did he truly remove the subsidy? Absolutely no. There have been series of cases that proves that Tinubu did not remove fuel subsidy. Tinubu was paying fuel subsidy and he's still paying it, lying to Nigerians that he removed the fuel subsidy. That led to inflation and everything we are seeing in Nigeria today. It led to the devaluation of Naira, and Tinubu, through the CBN governor, started using our foreign reserve in dollars to back up the Naira. And they were caught, but the CBN governor, as usual, denied it. As if that is not enough, Tinubu traveled again for international assignment. He came back and through his spokesperson, Ajuri, they lied to Nigerians that Tinubu had secured investment of $6 billion. Now, the owner of the companies that they lied against came out and denied it, that he never made any investment or promise to invest such amount in Nigeria. And this issue of nepotism, this issue of deception continues on and on. You cannot count enough what Tinubu has cost Nigeria since he assumed office as president, because we believed and we know that this man never prepared to be president. He was preparing to find his way to Aso Rock. Yes, that was the video I made about a year in office of Bola Tinubu, okay? Now, Japanese government has denied the President Bola Tinubu's administration claim of a newly created visa category allowing skilled Nigerians to relocate to Japan. It said through its Ministry of Foreign Affairs that the claim of inclusion of immigration measures or special visas for Nigerian citizens in the new JICA Africa Hometown Initiative launched last week was untrue. This is Japan government saying that what the Nigeria president or the Nigeria government is telling their citizen is not true. Now, remove sentiment out of this, okay? Remove anything you have in your mind. I want you to be neutral. The question is this. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. This is not the third time. This is not the fourth time. This is not the fifth time. This is the seventh time that Tinubu administration is lying to Nigeria. The question I'm putting forth to you that I want you to answer in the comment section is this. What actually are they gaining from lying against, the people? What is actually the gain? Without lying to the people, are they going to say that your movement, spending the taxpayers' money, that is not worth it? Everybody knows it's not worth it. Even when your people are dying, when homes are being razed, people are being killed, you are traveling up and down and save the lives and properties of the people, which is your primary assignment, is nothing. But who do I blame, self? In all this, who are you going to blame? Is it not Nigerians? Nigerians don't even understand what it means to be a citizen. I made a video that was last year that if only 20% of Nigerians knows what it means to be a citizen of a country, give that country 48 hours, there will be a revolution that will change everything forever. They don't know what it means to be a citizen. They thought a citizen is just someone who can wake up and go to farm. Maybe while coming by, you will be kidnapped. Somebody who can wake up when you are going to vote, they'll give you money to vote. People think that is just what it means to be a citizen. A citizen is the one who can just cry and pray that God should give them borehole, to drag government to come and do borehole. That is the mentality of so many Nigerians about citizenship. They don't have the clue of what the right of a citizen is. They don't understand that their local government chairmen, their commissioners, their governors, their president are mere servants. They don't know that. They don't know that they have share of a place they call their own country. They don't know. But I blame them later because there is a system that has been created to make sure that they will think like that. And every now and then, people are hoping for a new Nigeria from a rotten system. It's not going to come. You are not going to see it. You can't see a new result from a rotten system. You can't see a new wine from old pot of wine. It's impossible. It's impossible. The system must be destroyed totally. You know it's not going to be from election because election is a product of the same system. Election is a product of the same system. See, if it is any developed country, be it China or any place, a president just lie to the people, let him go and come back. People will block the airport. Why must you lie to the people? We take too much nonsense, and that is why everything is like this. They sponsor terrorists, do everything. We have 9 terrorist groups as of today, being the 26th day of August, 2025. We have 9 terrorist groups operating in Nigeria. I did not even put APC and PDP, who are indeed terrorist organizations. APC imported terrorists in 2015. Nobody is talking about it. The Nigerian Bar Association just met. They are still shying away from it. Nobody wants to talk. Every now and then, I will be talking about how these people imported terrorists. They did not deny it, so I'm not the one saying it. They came to national television, many places. Go and Google it. They confessed by themselves that they imported terrorists to remove Jonathan. As usual, Nigerians don't think. They don't react to things. They want next election. They want electoral reform. If someone that imported terrorists and go away with it, get away with it, no trial. Somebody who appointed Boko Haram Commission of Religious Affairs and formed Boko Haram in Borno State, they did not persecute them. Saudi Arabia, on September 15, 2021, they published the names of people who are sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria. Nigerian government did not even try them. Everybody is going away with whatever they are doing. Is it a electoral reform that they cannot violate? People committed treason by importing terrorists into the country to remove a sitting president. A sitting president. The person go away with it. Is it a electoral reform they can't violate? Come on, they appointed judges. They owns the court. I don't know whether some Nigerians think before they start putting their energy in some things that will not yield result. So you see, I have been with the system for long. Since 2007. I was there, 2011, 2014, 15. That was when all this insecurity was initiated into Nigeria by important people who are ravaging around as bandits today. 2019, I was there. 2023, I was there. I'm talking about 4 years. So there is nothing you are going to tell me about the system. I know the system. So if you are hoping that the election one day is going to change things, you are dreaming. You are just dreaming because it's not going to happen. The people who are supposed to say the truth, they are not saying the truth. You understand? Is there any activist in Nigeria who have even come out to say, why do you people import terrorists into the country? Who are the bandits that are killing everybody today? Bandits have killed up to, getting to 1 million in these 15 years. Sorry, in this 10 years now. 2014, 2015, about 10, 11 years. They have keep getting to 1 million people in Nigeria, displaced millions upon millions of people. They have collected in these 15 years more than 10 trillion naira. Go and fact check everything I'm saying. But people imported them into the country. No activist is saying this. No lawyer is saying this. Everybody is just deceiving you. They are deceiving. No politician is saying this. These people did not deny it. They did not deny that they did not import terrorists. So that you will understand the level of what I'm saying. The audacity of people who have committed treason. Then nothing did happen. And you are clamoring, hey, this. I pity people who don't even know anything about this country. Anyway, it is what it is. I rest my case. The essence of this video is Tinubu should stop lying to Nigerians. Stop lying. It's not going to change anything. You keep on lying. All for 2027 election. The election that we know that is the same thing that is going to happen. What we see before. But the only solution Nigeria have it is, if everybody is ready to die, including me, things will change. If you want referendum, they will give you. If you want reforms, they will give you. If you want regional government, they will give you. If you want security, they will give you, if you are ready to die. Until you are ready to die, these people won't make anything change. It is bad as that. So, people have different ideas and I respect people's opinion. Let me know what you think about this. I'm Okocha Abi myself, a conflict reporter.